Hello everyone. Let's make another comfort food to beat the summer heat. Yes, let's make SabuMakha. Well, this no-cook recipe is so easy to make that even a child can do it. You just need to wash the Sago or Sabu or Tapioca pearls, whatever you call them, very thoroughly and then soak it overnight and then drain off the water. And then you use all the seasonal fruits that you get and mix it up with the Sabu. The fruits that I've used is banana, mangoes, coconut. Then I've also used mishti doi. This is the sweet curd. If you have them, you can mix that as well. Now, if your mangoes are very sweet, you need not add any sugar, or else you can add sugar or batasha to sweeten it. Then if you have shondesh or kalakand, you can add that as well. Add everything and mix it together. That is all. We have another recipe of SabuMakha. You can check out the link below. This is such a comfort food. I can think of no other recipe where it is so easy. You don't need to stand in the kitchen for long hours and sweat in this hot and humid weather. Just mix it and then you serve it. Yes, and before serving, you decorate it with the cut fruits. It looks a bit better and presentable, you see. I've used bananas and the mangoes and the coconut pieces. Coconut pieces will give a slight texture in each spoonful into your mouth. There will be some pieces of coconut in it. And then yes, I've also added a few dry fruits. You can add anything of your choice. You need not add if you don't have them. It is all up to you. Give it a try. You will like the taste of it, I am sure. And it's going to save you from all the hard labor in the kitchen. It can be had for breakfast or even for lunch or evening snacks. And it is very wholesome, you see. Give it a try. And let us know in the comment section whether you all tried it out and whether you all liked it or not. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing to our channel. We bring nearly every day a video that is of various interests that makes everybody happy, you see. That is what we do every day. Our daily activities, be it cooking or gardening or some craft work. So if you found this video super duper easy, do give it a thumbs up. And thank you for staying till the end. Bye bye.